This video will cover setting up SMS via AQL in My Repairs Online. First, click Setup SMS. You then need to input your AQL API key. Information on retrieving this can be found via the blue link shown. After that setup, you can finish off the configuration by linking your My Repairs contacts to a mobile number. Assuming this is ticked, any logged repairs will also go through via text to this number. We can now log a repair like normal and see how that appears on the text. It'll give you some brief information at a glance and advises to check your email to see the whole repair.